My name is Deep, and this is my video walkthrough for my final project, a mobile whack-a-mole game called Whack-Monster. So here, this is the main menu. It's designed to be simple and mobile friendly. We have three main buttons: start game, instructions, and quit. So let's play the game and I'll show you the game. So when I first click the instruction button, it shows the player how to play and all the instructions here as well. Corrected for 10 points, misstep for minus point, and difficulty as well. So I've added one extra feature for difficulty. So the longer you play, the faster and more frantic the monster will get. It's get more difficult after 10 seconds, that I'll explain you later. And going back, now here I have implemented the sound through audio mixer. So I've added the music and SFX in the audio mixer, uh, and I've implemented the toggle here, so we can toggle it off and toggle it on as well if you want a sound. So that uses the Unity's audio mixer to control the master volume for both the background music and all the sound effects. Now let's jump into the gameplay. So I'm just starting the game now. Let me show you the game first. This is the so if you can see, after every 10 seconds it's getting difficult to catch all the monsters, because the speed has also increased. Okay, so this is the game over screen. Here it says the final score, a restart button, and return to menu. I can return to menu as well for the main menu. Here we have the same three buttons. Stopping game for now. So the core mechanic is simple. Monster randomly appears from one of the 6 holes and the player needs to tap them before they disappear. The UI displays the live score and the timer in the game level, live score and the timer, which counts down. The timer counts down for 60 seconds. A correct tap adds 10 points to the score and plays a satisfying hit sound. I've also added a hit sound as well. In the music player, if you can see, this is for the background, all the background music, and I use the mixer in the game manager. So here I have implemented all the monsters in the prefab. These all are the prefab 6 monsters. These are the spawn points. These 6 are the spawn points, and I've implemented through the game objects from here. The score text and timer text elements are here, and for correct sound, when I hit the correct tab, it sounds this song. So these are all the audios and the game mixer as well. So this is for the correct tab and this is for the incorrect tab. This is for the SFX. And for the game over display, this display players final score and gives them the options to restart the game or return to main menu. I'll just quickly show you the sound on as well. So when I start the game and uncheck the sound on, it doesn't play any sound. And with the sound as well, it's checked right now. So this is the sound, tab sound, correct tab, incorrect tab, incorrect tab, incorrect tab. So for my unique feature, I implemented a system for increasing difficulty. The game start at a manageable pace. However, every 10 seconds, the code automatically decreases two key variables: the time between monster spawn and the amount of time each monster stays on screen. You will notice the game gets significantly faster and more challenging as it processes, which increases the replay value. I'll show you the logic of the game. So here in the game manager, this is all the logic for increasing variable. So this is for spawn interval, it is increased for 1.5 seconds, target after 2 seconds, and difficulty increases after every 10 seconds of intervals to the next difficulty. So the entire is gaming controlled by this game manager script. Spawn targets core routine is the heart of the game, so it runs in a loop using a random range uh, to pick a random monster prefab and a random spawn point. So it picks all the random monsters. Now I also added a logic to ensure a monster won't spawn in the game spot twice in a row. It's all here: spawn index, random range, and not twice in a row, making the game feel more fair. Now player input handle, all the handles here are uh, in the process tab function, which uses a 2D raycast to detect tab on any object with target tab. Now the handle difficulty increase, this function this function uh, called in a update to adjust the spawn interval and target lifetime variables as the timer goes down. So switch back to the main menu. Finally, so here is the project organization. All the assets are uh, organized into logical folders. So I have audios, I have animations, I have prefabs, I have scenes, scripts, sprites, all the sprites, all the this is the game logo, all the monsters and the background images. So this makes the project easy to navigate and manage. So that covers all the required components of the final test. Thank you.